Webb Simpson makes some noise at Masters with back-to-back eagles. Webb Simpson made Masters history with back-to-back eagles in the final round, getting him to 5 under for the day. Simpson, the 2012 U.S. Open champion, holed out from 166 yards on the par 4 number 7, then chipped in from 20 yards for 3 on the par 5 number 8. He is the 4th player to make consecutive eagles in Masters history, joining Phil Mickelson in 2010, Dustin Johnson in 2009 and Dan Pohl in 1982. According to his scorecards on Augusta.com, Simpson had 2 eagles at Augusta National coming into Sunday, one each in the 2015 and 2016 tournaments.